it's Layle with Layle by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at my brand new Celebrate Today mini book project kit that is shipping now. I will first take a look at the completed project, and then we will take a look at the contents of the kit. As with all of the Layle by Mail mini book project kits, you receive everything you need to put the project together, all of the product, along with color step-by-step instructions and access to a 3+ hour video class where I make the project with you step-by-step, so we work on it together. All right, so in this particular project, I am using the beautiful Simple Vintage Indigo Garden collection from Simple Stories. So it is just stunning, vibrant colors, lots of great blues and yellows and pinks and kind of dark purples. So using a lot of different products. On the cover, we're using one of the chipboard frames, some foam stickers and pattern paper, and fun little butterfly charm that's part of the kit. As we get going, you'll get a really good feel for the collection. I am using the 6x8 navy snap binder that goes very well with Indigo Garden, and more of the chipboard frames. So you can slide a photo in. As we get going, you'll see lots of different interactive elements. So a pocket there. You can add photos and or memorabilia. In class, I will be using a little bit of the chipped, well, a couple of different Distress Oxide inks, and those are things that you could add after the fact if you wanted, but I have colored a couple of the tabs with the Distress Oxide inks. And a little pocket here. Again, you could add photos, or this could be your photos, or whoopsie, they could be photos, or they could be memorabilia, what have you. Here you have a little kind of door, French style door almost, that opens to the center, room for 7 photos there. We keep going. Beautiful collection. I have also, after the fact, added some different stickles to my completed project, and I have included a link to not only the project kit to purchase in the description box of the video down below. I have also included links to a number of products that I added to my project after the fact, namely 2 different colors of Distress Oxide inks, and then a couple of different colors of stickles and a blending tool. Another little pocket here. This is a side pocket. So we've die cut or fussy cut a little piece from the 6x8 pad. Just a gorgeous collection. It's very neutral. The kind of a little Dutch door technique going on here with the pocket page, but very neutral. It can be used for all different types of things, a lot of general photos or different celebrations. You could even do a wedding in here if you wanted. You could do graduation. You could do a new mother, new parents. And you could really just document the different things, that make you happy. So anything that you want to celebrate, including just kind of the day-to-day. We're doing some more fussy cutting here and creating a little door with that beautiful wreath. Another chipboard frame, a double kind of side pocket there. I love doing pockets like that in my mini book project kits just because it gives you so much room for more photos and memorabilia. Here we're creating with a pocket page. We're kind of sandwiching a pocket page in between 2 pieces of pattern paper to create a fun see-through frame like that. As we open up, lots of room for journaling there, or more photos, a couple of other kind of interactive elements as we start to wrap that up. So that is what I've done with the project kit. Of course, with the project kit, you could do as I do, or you can kind of make it your own if you'd like. So now we'll take a look at the contents of the kit. So the base of the project is that 6x8 navy snap binder that I mentioned. So with that, you have 8 snap pages, or a little bit more of the decorative pages that you see there. You have the 10 pocket pages, and those come in 3 different configurations. Of course, the color step-by-step instructions and access to that 3-hour video class that I talked about. And then when we start to look at the rest of the product, we have the chipboard frames. So 6 different chipboard frames that we're using in the project, and just beautiful. They just make such a nice, beautiful showcase for some of those special photos that you want to include. You have a little baggie with a yard of that really kind of sheer linen ribbon. And then you also have a little piece of gold twine and a butterfly charm. So that's what you see in the little baggie. You have the Simple Vintage Indigo Garden sticker book. And in that sticker book, you have 12 sheets, 617 stickers. So, oh my goodness, so many great, I should have opened this ahead of time. So many great stickers to work with. And I love the size. They're especially great for working with in a mini book like that. So there we go, 12 sheets, 617 stickers. And we also have the 6x8 paper pad. So the 6x8 paper pad has 24 sheets, 2 sheets each of 12 different patterns. And then everything is double-sided. So these 6x8 pads are wonderful to use in working in a mini book like that. You have the foam stickers. I don't know, I swear, I think the foam stickers are probably one of my most favorite Simple Stories products that they do. So you have 67 foam stickers, and great for titles and a little bit of added embellishment or dimension. A small doily, and then a number of pieces of 12 by 12 pattern paper. So you have the 4 by 6 cut aparts, the 3 by 4 cut aparts, a navy yellow solid, the journal element cut aparts, this fun 12 by 12 wreath, and that is what we fussy cut to make that fun little door that I showed you, and then one more solid, and that is kind of the pink and white. So there you have it. That is the Celebrate Today mini book project kit. I have included a link in the description box of the video down below to purchase. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.